Hi everyone.
Hello there, how are you?
Welcome to this week's Style With Us. I'm Dee.
I'm Teresa, we're from Urban Cachet.
And this week we have the beautiful Namastai brand to show you, all pure cottons, all original prints from Namastai. They do come out of the same company as Naturals, so the quality is exceptional and the value for money is really good here. So gorgeous little pieces.
Oh, what a gorgeous dress you're wearing.
So this is the V-neck dress in the cotton. As I said, it's all cotton. It's got elastic there, but it's very soft. It's giving me a nice, not too, frilly, but still a nice.
A bit of a statement.
A statement, thank you. Now the sizing here, I'm wearing the small medium, and I'm wearing the small medium all the way through. Teresa's wearing the small medium as well, because it only comes 3 sizes. So small medium, medium large, and extra large. And then I've slipped it on back with the Isabella Dalton in the pewter. I find that this shoe just goes with so many things. So
looks
nice
fabulous.
and floaty, cool and light.
And also comes in the fracture print, which is a very dark navy base. So really gorgeous as well. And I'm wearing the teardrop top in Tutti Frutti, the print, same print as Dee is wearing. So it's just a really nice sort of slightly boatish neckline, gorgeous sleeve on this as well, 3/4 sleeve. I'll show you the back. Great length for, I'm wearing it with the foil Stevie denim skirt. But
great length for skirts.
Great
really
length for skirts, but also a great length for a wider leg pant as well. And to state the obvious, we could do the little side tuck as well. As Dee mentioned, I'm wearing a small medium, and Dee's just showing you the other print.
And this is called Pod, which is just so completely different. So lovely, it's soft.
Yeah, and I've teamed it with the EOS Menorca in the chestnut, which just brings out the lovely dark chocolatey colour in my Namastai necklace. Right, here we are with our second outfit. So the beautiful fracture print again in the round neck cotton dress, wearing a small medium.
Beautiful dress, everyone. Look at
Isn't
the
it
tears.
Gorgeous? It's just beautiful.
The quality of the cotton is just
and the swishiness.
really lovely here.
Isn't it? It just falls beautifully.
And no crushing. It's just quite amazing. I squinch that up and I don't get any crush in that.
Amazing, isn't it?
So terrific.
Great for travelling.
Travelling, holidays, dress up, dress down.
Yeah.
Really nice.
And I've teamed it with my new favourites, the EOS Menorca in the bone. Had on the chestnut.
This has got pockets as well, hasn't it?
Oh, indeed. Yes. Yes, indeed. We do love
So
our
again,
pockets.
we're small, medium here, and then there's the medium large and the extra large. So I'm thinking 10 to 14 or 8 to
12.
8 to 12 in the small medium, and then 14, 16 in the medium large, and then the extra large will be fine for the 18. Yep.
Yeah.
So again, they've just called this a V-neck, but similar to the one I had on before, but it's a completely different shape. It's A-line. It's got this little gathered sleeve, great sleeve coverage, lovely length, and cool and light, everyone. And this is the Tutti Frutti necklace I've put on with it, which is really fun. It's got all the different beads in it. It's light too, which is nice. And I've kept the Isabella, Daisy, pewter on.
And Dee's dress in the Tutti Frutti. So just a completely different look.
So nice as well, guys. Just dress them both up or dress them down.
You absolutely could.
You really could.
Yeah.
They're just terrific.
Right, here we are with our last Namastai outfit, the beautiful cotton. So I'm wearing the sweetest little dress. It's called the teardrop cotton dress, and the print is called Pod, small medium. So there's a line here. It's not under the bust. It's sort of halfway between the bust and the waist, but it just sits off the body. Little cap sleeve, plenty of room in this.
Cool and light.
Honestly.
Perfect for throwing on a really hot day.
You just wouldn't even feel that you've got it on.
Yeah.
It's just gorgeous. And I've just, a bit of fun, I've just teamed it with the Rolly Sawtooth wedge in the blush camo. So a gorgeous combination of the khaki, the natural, and the blush
sandal.
pink.
They're good because you can adjust them.
Yeah, and they've got that beautiful arch support in as well. And I've popped on one of the Namastai. Caterpillar. Yeah, that's cute, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just picks up the colours in the
And
dress.
again, it's nice and light, everyone. So
yeah, gorgeous.
I have the V-neck cotton top on. This has really got some beautiful detailing in it. It's got some shirring through here, lovely soft, small elastic there through the cuff. V-neck, little stand collar. I've just tucked it. You can have it out. It's just a very fine, lightweight, beautiful. Again, in the
Gorgeous.
pod.
And the Tutti
And it
Frutti.
comes in the Tutti Frutti.
Yeah.
And I've put it back with my favourite New London jeans, the Dorsets, great link to me in the denim. And a sandal, called Los Cabos is the brand. It's called Ashley. Again, it's adjustable, it's very comfy, it has a little bit of an arch support in it, and the colour is taupe in those. So yeah, they're a great price point, those as well. So thank you so much for watching us this week, and I hope you've enjoyed this beautiful collection from Namastai. As usual, if you could like, subscribe and comment on whatever channel you're watching us on, and we will be back next week.
See you then.